Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build a really cool password generator in Python, step by step. This is perfect if you want to create super secure passwords with just a click. Let's dive right in. We start by importing Python's built-in random module. This module lets us pick random items, which is perfect for creating unpredictable passwords. Here we're creating a function called generatePassword. It takes a parameter called length and by default will generate passwords that are 12 characters long, but you can change it to whatever you like. We now define three separate strings. Letters contains all lowercase and uppercase letters. Numbers includes digits from 0 to 9. Symbols holds a bunch of special characters like exclamation marks, dollar signs, brackets, and more. This gives our password good complexity. We simply add these three groups together to make one big string called all characters. This way, the password can include anything from letters, numbers, and symbols. This is where the magic happens. We use a for loop inside the join function. Random.choice all characters picks a random character from our pool. We repeat this for as many times as the password length. Then join sticks all those characters together into one final string, our password. Once the password is ready, the function simply returns it. Finally, in the main part of our code, we call the generatePassword function. Here, I'm asking it to create a password that's 16 characters long. You can change that number based on how long you want your password to be. This way, when we run the script, it prints a strong, random password directly in the terminal. And that's it. You now have a fully working Python password generator. Feel free to customize it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome coding projects. See you in the next one.